Still spending hours planning your YouTube videos? Need not to worry, as I will guide you through. I will show you how I go from idea to full script in just 15 minutes, using only ChatGPT. Yes, it is that fast. Here is how. Welcome to AI in Action, the channel that helps creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs work smarter with artificial intelligence. If you want to plan faster, create smarter, and publish more, this one is for you. Step 1. Finding the perfect video idea. I ask ChatGPT, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners. Boom! Instant inspiration. Ideas like Top 5 AI tools for YouTube creators. Best ChatGPT prompts for freelancers. Step 2. Script generation. My prompt is, write a 3-minute YouTube video script on using ChatGPT for content planning. Keep it friendly and clear. What I get? A full draft with intro, structure, and even a call to action. I tweak it a bit to sound like me. That takes under 5 minutes. Step 3. Visual production. I paste the script into Pictory.ai, and it auto-generates visuals, music, and even an AI voiceover. You can customize scenes, add your branding, and export a faceless video, all in minutes. Want to save even more time? I've created a prompt pack, 50+ ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts for creators, freelancers, and marketers. Link is in the description. So that's my 15-minute content workflow. Idea, script, video, all powered by AI. If this helped you, smash that button and comment below. What's one AI tool you've used or want to explore next? And don't forget to subscribe to AI in Action for smart AI tools, content tips, and creator strategies. New videos weekly.